I'm a little bit scared too. I hit my head in the rock. मैंने बोला है आपसे ना कि ऐसी जगहों पर अकेले आने में दिक्कत ये है। भाई अपन एकदम पूरे हरे नीले हो गए हैं। अब यहाँ से ड्राइव करने का मज़ा आएगा, बारिश होते रहे। Let's go. चर्च बहुत प्यारे प्यारे हैं यार यहाँ पर। I wanted to explore them and cover them, but the problem is that मुझे डर लग रहा था कि कहीं भाई ये रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट हट ना हो जाए, सो I did not. Well, the weather is quite pretty here now. अभी तक मेरी फट रही थी बारिश से, but now it seems all okay, all good and fine. Okay. Vehicle parking ticket counter. Jeep safari is available. Man, I want to do my own safari. स्टीप लाइन शुरू हो रही है। काफ़ी पेट्रोग्लिफ्स, आई वांटेड टू सी दैट मैन। इन सब के बारे में बहुत पढ़ा था। अच्छा वो बैग मैंने बाहर ही रख दिया है, अदरवाइज तो यहाँ से तो मुझसे नहीं होता। यहाँ पर था दूसरा काउंटर, उस काउंटर से मैंने मेन एंट्री जो है अडेकल केव की, वहाँ का टिकट है 50 रुपीज़। अभी भी यहाँ से काफ़ी ट्रैकिंग है, बट सीढ़ियाँ बनाई गई हैं, कोई इंक्लाइन नहीं था वहाँ की तरफ। मैंने बोला है आपसे ना कि ऐसी जगहों पर अकेले आने में दिक्कत ये है कि लोग आपसे फ़ोटो के लिए बोलते हैं। The whole gang is there till last. Okay. So it really feels awesome when you come with a big group. You don't even feel anything. You see, they are just enjoying and chilling out. Okay. Yes, kind of. Thank you very much. It's a heck of a ride, man. This path is also there. मैं अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ का तो मैंने देख लिया, ये सब चीज़ें मुझसे ना हो पाएंगी। इट्स वेरी टायरिंग एंड एग्जॉस्टिंग राइड। At the same, there are people who are making kind of animal noises. I really don't know what is the fascination of youngsters with making odd noises like animals. I don't know. You go any part of the world, they would do this. Ooh, ah, like that. See? This is how they show their excitement. That's great, man. यहाँ से ट्रैकिंग और भी स्टीप हो चुकी है. यहाँ से ट्रैकिंग और भी स्टीप हो चुकी है. Shit! I hit my head in the rock. I'm a little bit scared too. I'm a little bit scared too. You have to be very careful while riding these kind of treks, and that too in monsoon. Things may be very slippery. काफ़ी लंबी ट्रैकिंग करने के बाद मैं यहाँ पर पहुँचा हूँ. सर पानी चाहिए. So would you like to say something about this on camera? Okay, now sir would guide us to these hieroglyphs.
केक वंतट 30,000 वर्षम पड़का
इंग्लिश और हिंदी
हिंदी हिंदी चाहिए.
हाँ
हिंदी ओके. ये 30,000 साल पहले 30,000 एक अर्थ में बना हुआ केव है ये 30,000. ओके. और इसको हम एडक्कल बोलते हैं. एडक्कल मलयालम वर्ड है. उसका मीनिंग इन बिटवीन स्टोन. इन बिटवीन स्टोन है ना ऊपर.
Oh right. Is the hanging stone.
वो एडक्कल. एडा मीन्स इन बिटवीन, कल मीन्स स्टोन, इन बिटवीन स्टोन. और इसका इम्पोर्टेंट है ये कि 6,000 साल पहले से स्टेप बाई स्टेप लोग रॉक शेल्टर बना के इसके अंदर रहते थे. कम्युनिकेशन पर्पस के लिए बनाया हुआ कार्विंग से, क्योंकि उसी टाइम लैंग्वेज नहीं थे. फिगर बना के कम्युनिकेशन करते थे.
हायरोग्लिफिक्स.
यस यस. दिस वन इज अ नियोलिथिक साइट है. नियोलिथिक साइट है. इससे पुराना पालियोलिथिक है. पालियोलिथिक पेंटिंग्स है. वो पत्ता फ्रूट.
आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ हिस्ट्री सर.
ओके. कम.
500
square feet figures here.
Okay.
Okay. इसमें 20% ही confirm because people step by step lived here. Some picture is overlaps.
Okay. Overlapping.
It's a tribal leader. See one tribal leader.
Oh right. It's like very pretty clear image.
Yes. It's the same person back side. It's a front view. Same person back view.
Okay. Front and back both.
Back both.
So these are front and back views of the same person.
Okay. So round is human face.
Right. That's clear, sir.
So right side one elephant.
Okay.
There is elephant. Left side one lady, one child. Lady, child.
Lady and child.
See one round. That
yes,
sun. Only that time God worship sun.
Okay. Worshipping was there.
Yes. Above sun one peacock.
Right.
See one ladder type step.
Yes, ladder.
That's a cart vehicle. Pushcart vehicle. Middle of the cart vehicle. 2 small wheels are there. Small wheels.
Right, sir.
Okay, because people step, all say 6,000, after that 4,000, 2,000, 3,000. The first step lived here. So vehicle pictures here.
Good one.
One male, one female with bow and arrow.
Bow and arrow, male and female hunting together.
So one lady standing on a cart vehicle. Downside cart vehicle, upside lady. It's a symbol of stone weapons, knife, bow and arrow, stone axe.
That is why these are called stone edges. These are stone metals engraved.
Also used for hunting. So gold stones people lived here. Some dramatic lady. This one. The wild animal, long animal, head, body, tail, leg also. Two flowers, one deer jumping portion, head, left, tail. This one is Brahmi Tamil, starting Tamil, Brahmi.
Brahmi script, right? So, like it's like the starting of the Sanskrit also.
No. Starting, actually oldest language is Tamil, southern region. This one
The
is
script is Brahmi.
Yes, Brahmi. This one translated. Pala Puli, Tata Kari, Vedungo Malay, Kachavinu Chatti, meaning a man who killed a lot of tigers lived here.
The man who killed a lot of tigers.
Lived here.
Lived here.
The symbol of Karagatam. See, flower, human, Karaga picture. See, in this body picture here, man with a jar. Man with jar.
Man with a jar.
Jar. Okay? Symbol very good.
Like what kind of worship is there? Sun worship, no?
Worship sun.
Actually, in that one Harappan civilization, it's like not clear there also.
Only one picture here. This one is a Harappan. This one Harappan picture. There. Say 500 square feet figures. People lived here. This one natural drainage system.
Oh, the drainage system was also there.
Water not floated here. It's a drainage system.
Amazingly engraved everything while people living here.
People lived here. Cave discovered by 1894. Frederick Hauser, he is the Malabar region SP that time. He discovered. From sea level, 4,000 feet.
4,000 feet above from sea level.
Located at Ambuvatti Hills. Hill's name is
Ambuvatti.
Yes.
Ambuvatti Hills.
Important is picture. Only one site in India, that is Edakal Cave. It's a carvings, Neolithic carvings. Only one site in India, that is
Neolithic carvings, like there is a place a lot of in Madhya Pradesh also.
Bhimbedka, that is a Paleolithic.
Paleolithic, oh
That is
right.
a Paleolithic, that's the paintings.
So it's the Neolithic, right?
Yeah.
From the tools also we can see the tools has become very sharp and small.
Yes, that's hard stone tools. That one.
Okay, thank you very much for your guided tour. So I would upload this on YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Okay, the tour was amazing. We got to know a lot of things about these engraved paintings here on the wall. According to the data provided by him, according to the information provided by him, it's a Neolithic site. Oh, wow, man. Can you just imagine few people living in this group under this huge boulder of a stone. This is the hanging stone that he was talking about. Amazing. Well, this tour I would conclude to be very much successful. We explored this cave completely. The trekking part was very hectic, but yeah, these kind of sites, these are once in a lifetime that you visit these things, so it makes sense. उतरने में तो काफ़ी आसान है, ठीक है, फिर भी थकन हो जा रही है। इनको एक स्लाइडर लगाना चाहिए, ठीक है, यहाँ से सीधा नीचे उधर स्विमिंग पूल बना दो, बंदा स्लाइड करते हुए जाएगा सीधा। दैट वुड बी मच बेटर आइडिया। मज़ा आ गया भाई इस ट्रैकिंग का भी। While going down it was very hectic. While going up मैं तो हार मान गया था कि मैं नहीं जा पाऊँगा, बट बहरहाल गया। यहाँ पर चढ़ना ही मुश्किल नहीं है, उतरना भी उतना ही मुश्किल है। काफ़ी भी दूर तक उतर के जाना है, फिर वहाँ से हो गया ये ट्रैक कंप्लीट है। In the end it's a church they have made here, St. George Malankara Catholic Church. Engravings are very beautiful. And that's it for Edakkal. Amazing ride, very tiring but amazing.